Hey! Adiera didi nam prophet opatafuo no. Okanesi ofra nepa. Hey! Yeje no grewi na yeji nemu. Yemana iko prophet opatafuo. Yeje no grewi yendie na yeji nemu. Yemana iko prophet opatafuo. Adiera didi nam prophet opatafuo no. Okanesi afra nepa. Hey, yeje no grewi na yeji nemu. Yemana iko prophet opatafuo. Yeje no grewi yendie na yeji nemu. Yemana iko prophet opatafuo. Eba. Nana basano ebeti akedi afuo obebu dadi adapan no yisumu akurade apie yemana yiko prophet opatafuo erade asiesie no sao my dendene eno se sheki ana say wosumpa ni chirebe ye no yebengu no opatafuo nsem eno sigana maye mesimu se monye kuma efisa ye mumuna opatafuo no afiri apa ono na odi erade huhu ma wone so no beba beji erade ma ye free kwa ye mo okana esi ofra na ba ye je no grewi na ye jinemu ye mana iko prophet opatafuo no ye je no grewi ye die na ye jinemu ye mana iko prophet opatafuo ade erade di na prophet opatafuo no Akanesio afira neba yeje no grewi na yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo yeje no grewi endie na yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo eba yo. Na wodu moja tumi akana na fompesu wegu na yana wasa nyare wanso opatafuo ni twedi ambo nyankoponi opatafuo ni Yesu Kristo ni opatafuo ni onkonkunu so ni eno ti se wusan ne so a obeye nchenche mawai erinya wo hini anampo su sedu ban the global sia asasia no naisia opatafuo ni waya resanie opatafuo ni uye diesunie opatafuo ni erade nkwaji enie se wakane bere umpa ejiri pie mu kese wai eye ma se obato ne poma no dade ekoti anyo be podcast opatafuo enim se wanke wo huwa obeya asase tawai na me sheki ana se wo so wa ni chebe ye no ibehu no opatafuo nsem yeje no grewi na yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo yeje no grewi yendie na yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo asiera didi na prophet opatafuo no okanesi afira neba yeje no grewi na yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo misi yeje no grewi yeje nemu yemana iko prophet opatafuo yeje no.
Okay, all right, you're highly welcome. This is a beautiful Saturday evening. It's 18th of April 2026, and as a matter of fact, yesterday we were supposed to meet on this very same channel, but you see, it rained so seriously in this country, so I was not able to catch up with you people. So I decided to meet you at this moment. Since yesterday we were supposed to meet and we couldn't. So if you see me on your screens, wherever you're watching live from, greetings to you in the gracious confines of your abodes. I believe you all are doing fervently well. Kindly do well by sharing this live telecast to a lot of people as much as you can. And then try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel in case today happens to be the first time that you're watching live. And then in case you have any message, don't hesitate to grab your keypads and channel all your thoughts to the comment section for me. And I will be very glad to receive your messages and then respond to you as well if it demands a response. So, you're highly welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. I am OPATAFUOR, and I'm using this platform to remind you that tomorrow will be the 1 week celebration of OPATAFUOR. Since last week Sunday, we lost our affable prophet. OPATAFUOR is no more. Now, what you're seeing is a different person. We have lost our dearest father, a brother, and a senior minister in the ministry. Prophet OPATAFUOR is no more. Now we are actually seeing a new person, a new being. And very soon I will disclose my name to you. Greetings to you as well. Please, most of you people that have affiliated themselves to WhatsApp groups and other media handles, please, you can as well share this live stream into your various groups that you have affiliated yourself to. And then if you can do well to download this video, cut it into pieces and upload it onto your channels as well. By doing so, you are helping us to get to the ends of so many people, and at the same time too, you are trying to, since people will be trooping in on your channel to come and watch, then you'll be getting more people to follow you as well. So it sounds good as well, as usual. Tomorrow we are celebrating our father's 1 week. He's no more, since the enemies has been able to conquer him and throw him behind bars. He's no more. Ay.
Odu moja tumi akana na fompe suwegu na ya na osa nyare wanso OPATAFUOR ni twedi ampa onyanko ni OPATAFUOR ni Yesu Kristo ni OPATAFUOR ni onkonkunu so ni eno ti se wusai ne so a obeya nchenche mawai erinya wo hini anampo su sedu bai the global sia asasia no naisia OPATAFUOR ni why are you saying OPATAFUOR ni we hear this ni OPATAFUOR ni eradin kwaji ni se wa kan be umpa ejiri pie mo kese wai eyedin ma se wo beto ne poma no dade ekoti ani obe podcast OPATAFUOR ni se wan ke wo ho obeya asase tawai na me se sheki ana se wo so wa.
Okay, with all due respect, let me quickly go to the comment section and read some of the messages to your hearing today. Our very first message is coming directly from Ivedu Wahim. The very second one is coming directly from Stubai. Senior man, how you doing? I believe you're doing well. And it reads, how you doing, Gracia? Thank you very much. I'm doing fervently, as you can see right on your screens. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm swimming in the pot of health. It sounds great. Now our very next message is coming directly from James Amuzu. It says, and it reads, greetings, Papa. Greetings to you as well, James. I believe you're doing well. Ebenezer Hinitachi, greetings to you. I believe you're doing fervently well with your wonderful family as well. My regards to your beautiful wife for me. Now let's move on to Reverend Adakwa. Salute you, man of God. I believe you're doing well. More grace to your elbow, I believe. The ministry is also functioning as how it's expected. No matter what happens, stay with Jesus and stand with him. Okay, now let's move on. Stella Champon. She has also dropped a message at the comment section and it reads, "Good evening, Papa. Please, how?" Thank you very much, my lady. I believe you're doing great. Stella, I'm swimming in the pot of health. If you hear the sound of my voice, it should remind you that OPATAFUOR, I am doing very well, extremely well, as you can see on your screens. Now, Nana Joa Obriyabua has also she has left a message at the comment section and it reads, "Greetings to you, my only Papa." Thank you very much, my lady. I believe you're also doing well. How are you all faring in Israel? Have you people stopped the war, or you are still on course? Now let's see our next message coming from Mr. Yaofori, and it's really good evening, great one. Thank you very much. I believe you're doing well. Alice, I believe you're also doing well. How you doing, Alice? Now, Kunod Mary, greetings to you as well. Nyamike Higabas of Mami, how you doing? Felix Bibi, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Reverend Tinedu says, here he comes, the lion of the desert. Thank you very much. You have gotten a perfect description of my identity. I was trained on a desert and I was raised like a lion. Nothing intimidates me unless maybe you take my life. When you take my life too, you have given me the opportunity to transit to the other side of life. And that is how it is. You must understand the realities. You see how God actually created the world. It transcends all mortal comprehensions. You must understand the realities of life. Now, let's move on. Okay, Eva, how you doing? I believe you're doing well. Ivy, you're welcome as well. Daniel, I believe you're also doing well. Kwame Apiasilas, man of God, I believe you're also doing well. Now let's move on. Tina, how you doing? I believe you're doing well as well. Elizabeth Osei, how you doing? Inu, I believe you're also doing fervently well. Now let's move on. Obaya, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Theresa, greetings to you as well. Now we have a lot of message. You have a lot of message. I can probably read all. Dia, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Gloria Kwe. It's a lot. It's a lot. Jennifer Numako. It's a lot. Dinah, Mama Dinah from UK. Now, Reverend Joseph Jima, greetings to you as well. I am live. As you can see, we're streaming live. Today happens to be on the 18th of April 2026. I've come to tell you that I am doing fervently well. I am swimming in the pots of health. There is nothing actually wrong with me. There are a lot of people that have been sending me messages, and people have also been trying to put a call across to my end just to check up on me and see how best I'm faring. I'm here to tell you all that do not panic. I am swimming in the pot of health. There's nothing wrong. Absolutely clean. Now, Mr. Osei is also swimming in the pot of health. There's nothing wrong with him. Most of you people who are very close to us, you can see that we are all doing fervently well. So tell somebody, for that particular person to also tell another person that indeed OPATAFUOR says he is doing fervently well. As you can see and testify for yourselves that I am doing well. Thank you very much. So let's get back to business. Let's get back to business. I still remain the principal exponent to the spiritual world. And as a matter of fact, I will keep on disappointing my enemies. And that is how I've been ordained. There's nobody, no being, no demon or principality that can take my life just like that. Unless the higher heavens permit it to happen. If God, you see, there's one specific thing that Jesus said that I love it so much. At that particular moment when they encircled him and then they got him arrested, Jesus actually questioned their actions. And then the question was, why are you people coming after me? You are coming at me with swords, rods. Some of you people are holding sticks and stuff like that, as if you are pursuing a criminal. That was the exact statement that Jesus uttered. And then he went on to say that if the higher heavens having permitted you people? What makes you think that you can come, even get closer to me with those elements and gadgets that you people are holding in your hands? So I'm here to tell you, most of the people who wants me dead, that what makes you think that you can kill me as an ordinary person if the higher heavens hadn't permitted such an act to happen? Do you think you can orchestrate a satanic event to just take my life just like that? No. You people, you are powerful within your jurisdiction, but when it comes to OPATAFUOR, you are limited, and that makes me a senior. You must understand it. So that's the reality. Oh my goodness, my goodness. In case if you have any questions as well, you can as well leave it at the comment section for me. And I'm here to remind you that tomorrow will be 1 week celebration of OPATAFUOR. OPATAFUOR, we have lost OPATAFUOR. OPATAFUOR has kicked the bucket. We have lost our wonderful prophet. He's no more in existence. Oh, it's so sad. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
And I say shaky, shaky. And I say with sumpa, you should be, you know, you be one of OPATAFUOR and some. And I say Ghana, my Missimo Samonia Kuma. If you say a mumuna, OPATAFUOR no one feel up. On our day, a radiant whom I want is so on. Beba beji, a radi my and frame for ye mo. How can I see? Ofra na eba, yajino grevi, na yajinemu. Yamana go prophet of OPATAFUOR. Yajino grevi, yandi na yajinemu. Yamana go prophet of OPATAFUOR. Adia radi nam prophet of OPATAFUOR. Akanesio afiraneba, yajino grevi, na yajinemu.
You see, these persecution that I've been experiencing, it didn't just started yesterday or something like that. Over years, they have been trying at all costs just to take my life. I'm telling you that I have been poisoned severally. I'm telling you the truth. 2018, 2016, 2020. I was poisoned severally. I'm telling you the truth. I've been attacked from the 4 physical quadrants. There is no weapon that has not been shot at me. There is no single weapon. The weapon of disgrace. Sometimes they go a long way to just pay people and let them stage something against me, just to level me up with something, a disgraceful thing as such. And in all this, I'm able to pull through. That is why I always keep on telling you that I've never been defeated before, and I will never be defeated, because my heart is clean, my hands is clean. I don't have any evil intentions about anybody. I do what I know, and I always stay focused and make sure that I deliver perfectly as how I've been instructed to embark on any assignment. So you hiding behind certain things to orchestrate any satanic event, what makes you think that your evil agenda will necessarily materialize? What makes you think that like that? Nobody can bring you down. I always tell people that you must make sure to stay true to yourself. After doing all these things, and if anybody goes contrary to the rules of engagement by conceding an evil thought about you, this is where our Father will step in. They have tried so many angles. I quite remember they tried tarnishing my hard-earned reputation, bribing some women to be going about spoiling my name and saying a lot of things about me. In all this, I was able to put myself in its rightful proportional order, organize myself, and step up a little bit. So I was one step ahead of them. And all their satanic agenda to pull me down and later to sprinkle palm oil on my white cloth just to jeopardize me publicly. You see, they have done all these things, but yet still, I'm still in the game and I've not lost it. At a point, they had to pay some people to come and gun me down. Severally, I have survived countless of assassination attempts. I have survived countless of assassination attempts. They pay people to come and eliminate me from the system. Now, these very ones who are being paid to come and execute such jobs, sometimes the God that I serve tend to take their lives. There are so many people who have lost a vital thing, probably because of me, because they allowed themselves to be possessed by the devil, to be used as a tool against me. And little did they know that at the end, they will put themselves in a problem to which they themselves, they can't solve it. And so far, so good. This is how far the Lord has brought me in life. This is how far the Lord has brought me in life. So I'm telling you that I am not alone. I am well prepared. I'm telling you, take my words. I am well prepared intellectually, spiritually, legally, emotionally, physically. Every thing that connotes to human well-being, I am well prepared. I'm telling you, I am well prepared. So if you clock me up on an intellectual level, I'm ever ready. As you can see, read from my voice, you can see that I'm not just an ordinary prophet that you see on the road just like that. I am well equipped with knowledge. I have been endowed with faculties that are more receptive in understanding the realities of life. I am well sophisticated. I'm not just ignorant, or maybe I don't necessarily know exactly what I'm doing in life. Maybe I just come online and say things that I don't even have any idea about. Maybe go out there, read some books out, then I decide to come and then pour it before you people. I don't do that. I am well prepared. Anything that I literally tells you, it is something that I have experienced personally. So you see, OPATAFUOR, I'm not just an ordinary tree to be eliminated just like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you must understand. You must understand. Bible says that thousands shall fall by my left and 10,000 by my right. So if you want to be part of the thousands, avail yourself and I'll come after you. Or if if you want to be part of the 10,000 who shall fall by my right hand, just avail yourself and I'll never spare you. You can be my brother. You can be my mom. You can be my girlfriend, my fiancé, my own son. Once you raise your voice, if you raise your voice against me, if you conspire against me, I also come after you. I don't care. Now, those grandmasters and those evil people who launched that particular attack at me on the 12th of April 2026, right at the Bushen station, please, with all due respect, how are you people faring? How do you feel now? The response. You see, you people were able to destroy one car. You only destroy my car, one. Now, regarding the accident that I also attack you people with, how far are you people faring. Now, how many cars have you lost? How many cars have you has it been destroyed? Tell me. I always tell you that if you throw one shot, I'll multiply it by 10 and then throw it back to you people. And that is me. I'm telling you, you can't intimidate me. If you have gone to affiliate yourself to any occultic organization, well, that is your own cup of tea. And maybe that's what you see right. Make sure you don't overstep your boundary, because you not go and join any secret society to come and intimidate OPATAFUOR. No. If you throw any shot at me, I also launch an attack against you. I'm not afraid of any single being here on earth. I'm telling you the truth. Tell you the truth. So how many cars have you people lost? How many cars have you people lost?
Nana basano ebeti akedi afuo obebuda dia da pain we yisumu akurade apie yemana iko prophet OPATAFUOR erade asiesie no sa mind dentene eno se sheki anase wosumpa ni chirebe ye no yebe hunu OPATAFUOR nsem eno siga na maye misimo se monye kuma efisa ya mumuna.
You people have literally tried all angles just to circumvent me, just to cripple me in the realms of the spirit, in all angles. And you people are aware. How many times have you people pushed these NCAs to take my channel down? How many times have you people tried? Countless of times. Sometimes those who have literally subscribed to this channel, when I even do come online or upload a video, they don't even get notification. You intentionally delete and then hibernate my channel online. You hibernate it. You intentionally put my channel to sleep so that people will not recognize or be able to discover me online. You have been doing all these things to me. I have literally kept quiet. I have not spoken. I have not done anything wrong. I quite remember those days. I used to pay to go on media platforms, social media handles, radio stations and TV stations as well. Then you people, after I leave the premises, then you go behind me, contact the owner of the station. Then you instruct the person that the person shouldn't allow me to come there and talk again. Sometimes I'll be having money, carry money in my own hands, move to the end of any reputable media house that I deem it fit, pay them just to buy an airtime to come and preach the word of God. And they will literally denounce me. They will deny me of it. You have been doing all these things to me, and I have not said anything, because I understand that the devil is the ruler of this world. Matthew chapter 4 verse 1. When Jesus refused to bow to the devil, they went all along, deployed all schemes and tactics just to get Jesus eliminated from the system, because his messages were being posed as a threat. Jesus kept on teaching people, helping people to gain a divine illuminations. Those that you have enslaved through religion, through politics, through traditions. These were the very ones that Jesus came to liberate. And it didn't go well with you people, so you have to deploy schemes and tactics after this young, handsome, energetic, and a clean man called Jesus. When you try all means and you couldn't succeed, You have to penetrate into his inner core. So you literally manipulated system and got hold of one of his apostles called Judas Iscariot. Now you bribed this guy to betray whom Jesus was. And he went and then did that. After getting Jesus arrested, you all will testify that he was blameless, but because of evilness, the evilness of the Pharisees, they try all means. They didn't get Jesus. They tried all means. They didn't get Jesus. At a point, they gambled with Jesus' life, where between Jesus and Barnabas, a high-end criminal, a highway robber, somebody who has taken the lives of innocent souls, they had to gamble the life of Jesus with that man, where they had to choose in between who is to be used. Now the people deliberately said they want the life of Jesus instead of Barnabas, knowing fully well that Jesus was innocent. And that is exactly what they did to Jesus. So somewhere along the line, they knew Jesus was blameless. But since his messages were posed as a threat to whatever that they have established here on earth, so they had to deploy tactics, schemes, and every means from the four physical quadrant to get him eliminated from the system. And that is exactly what you people did. After getting Jesus arrested, even on a cross, all the higher governmental officials who literally sat on the issues of Jesus, they all attested that he was blameless. Now tell me what exactly that I have done. I only come online, preach the word of God to people who will listen to me. I'm not forcing anybody, I'm not compelling anybody to come and listen to my messages. You have your own freedom, you have your own will. And as a matter of fact, the constitution of this wonderful country recognizes freedom of worship. So you can choose to yourself whatever religion that you deem it fit. You can decide to even pick a bottle of water and decide to use it as your deity and start worshiping it. Nobody will hold you responsible, or somebody will come and tell you that it's a crime. So I'm preaching my gospel to people, those that deem it fit. If they find my messages wealthy, they will come to me. You can also do what you know, you actually know best. That one is none of my business. I've got no hands in whatever that you do. I've never engaged myself in any financial crime. I've never done anything relating to scam. I have never fraud or defrauded anyone. Every little money that I've shown to you was acquired genuinely. And even if you see me involving myself in any illegalities, why not use the constitution to come after me? I've not done anything wrong. I have never shed any innocent blood. I've never done anything wrong. So why? I have tried to not to go contrary to the rules of engagement, to stay in within. After doing all these things, then you decide to sit down and conspire against me. Mida keneged mida. You don't try me, because I'll come after you. I'm telling you. You can be whoever you think you are. You can, contact extraterrestrials and beings from a higher dimension, a higher beings from a different planet. Contact other grandmasters who hails from a different occultic system. No matter the number that you are, you can be 100, 200, 300, 1 million. I don't care. What I know is you have stepped on my toes, and I will reply you diligently. And that is me. I will reply you diligently. That is me. That is what I've been known for right from onset. Tell me what I've done. I have not stolen anything. I have never involved myself in any crime. I am always clean. I'm not saying that I am righteous than anybody, but I am saying who I am. I am explaining myself to people. So tell me, where did I go wrong? Let me tell you the truth. Tell me if I've ever involved myself in any fraudulent act. Yoko is in this country, OSP, the Office of the Special Prosecutor. In fact, Mahama is actually sanitizing the system, and I really love it. He's doing a wonderful job with his IGP2 ever since you assume office. I must commend you for that. You also do a wonderful job. The gross activities of robbery and stuff like that has been kept. Robbery and stuff like that. All these atrocious activities has been kept in the system. And I must commend you for that. The OSP, the financial crime offices, that the various institutions that has been established in this country, you people are also doing wonderfully well. You are trying as hard as possible to sanitize the system. People who are using a dubious means to extort money from people, you are doing wonderfully well. The Game Boys and the Sakawa and those people, you understand what I'm saying? You are doing a wonderful job. So in case if OPATAFUOR is also part of those people who are involved in money laundering, come after me. I have owned myself up. Come and arrest me. I have never involved myself in any financial crime. No. I've never stolen from anybody. I've never taken anybody to anywhere to deceive or anything of that sort. So after doing all these things, then you try to hurt me. I swear by my last blood, I'll come after you. I don't care who the hell you think you are.
And it is a shine and so obey and change my wife. Every now we hear it, and I'm supposed to say Dubai. The global seer, as I see, I'm on I see ya. Why are you saying
You see, ever since I was born, I've never seen coconut powder before. When I say coconut powder, I'm not referring to the natural coconut powder. But you see, those of you who literally understands what's up, you understand what I'm saying there. You see, I have never even seen some before. The last time that I saw marijuana, it was not even a dry one. It was a planted one. We actually went to bush in the aim of hunting animals, and we happened to enter into somebody's farm. And when we got there, this guy has planted a lot of marijuana. It was in a typical bush, not anything close to even the house. The guy that I'm talking about, I don't even know him, but I know there is no land that doesn't have an owner. Every land in this world has an owner. So this guy happens to be farming very close to the forest, the government forest. And within the middle of the farm, this is where he has cultivated the marijuana. And I didn't even know that this was marijuana. But those who were with me, they are the one who drew my attention. And then they told me that this is marijuana. I plucked some of the leaf and then smell it. It was not dry. And I realized that maybe this is marijuana indeed. Ever since I was born, I have never seen conconte powder before. I don't even know how it is. I have never seen conconte powder before. But that of marijuana, I have seen it once when we actually embarked on a journey to go and hunt animals. That was where I saw some. So you see, I'm not somebody that I literally engage myself in any crime or any evil act. So if you think after staying true to myself and staying out of trouble, and you want to pull me and put me into trouble, I'm telling you, unless maybe the Lord decides to take my life, that one I have no option. Unless the Lord decides to take my life. And the Lord that I'm talking to, not this evil spirit. I'm talking in respect of our Father. He is our Lord. Unless maybe God decides to take my life, our Father, the great one, the mighty warrior. Unless he decides to take my life. If not that, don't even dream. Do you think how I've been presenting myself publicly and what I've been doing and what I've done and I'm still doing? Do you think if you people were having any cases against me, don't you think that would have served as a loophole to which you people would have used to launch an attack against me? But you people know that physically, this guy is innocent. I have not done anything wrong. You know it yourself. You know I've not done anything wrong. So why these jealousy and envious spirits that you people have in you? Let me tell you the truth. I'm not a type that you can intimidate. Now you people launch an attack, and I don't see it as an attack. I see it as a visit. You visited me on the 12th of April, this particular month, right at the Bushen station, where proud to your visit, you people took the life of an innocent soul. And it pains me so much. Why didn't you take my life and leave the woman to be at peace? Why? You have taken the life of an innocent soul. So the question in here is that you visited me, you took the life of that woman. Now you destroyed one of my cars. You destroyed one of my cars. Now the question is, Tuesday, I visited the higher heavens, and now they told and reported everything to them. Now they visited you people. Please, how many cars has been destroyed? You see your smoothness level. How many cars has been destroyed? You people are evil. How many cars has been destroyed? I'm asking you this question. How many cars has been destroyed? How many cars? How many cars? You see, I have caused you pain more than you think. I have destroyed so many of your properties. I have destroyed so many of your cars. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, not 10. How many? You know it yourself. You visited me and I welcome you people. At least you try to write something on the wall. And I also read whatever statement that you wrote on the wall in your own voice. I read whatever statement when you visited me, whatever statement that you wrote on the wall. I try reading every bit and piece of whatever that you left behind in your own voice. Now, how many cars has been destroyed? Now you are weeping. You are complaining bitterly. My own. Is he the guy who used his car to jump into my own? He's the one repairing it. So on the initial note, I've not lost anything. Somebody is repairing my car for me. Now with the issues of your own, how many cars? You are very lucky I didn't visit you with the consuming fire. I decided to retaliate and visit you with the same accident. So how long and how are you feeling? How are you people feeling? Tell me. Tell me. You are living in Accra and you are saying you are executive, this and that. You are evil people. How many lives have you people destroyed in this country? How many lives have you people destroyed in this country? You literally have hands on everybody. Those who are in government and those who are not in government. You have hands, you have authority, you have power over them. So all your evil acts, your drug dealings, your evil things, the people you have been using your media firm to take their lives, the people you have been using your company to take their life. And you think you can just take my life just like that? The next time that I visit you, you'll feel it. I'll make you feel it. You think you have the support of that paramount chief, that paramount chief who has also affiliated himself to a high occultic society, and he feels he's the boss of all bosses. You are a boss within your given jurisdiction, but not in my lane. You cross me, I'll crush you. And that is me. Tell that king who is part of your society that I'll visit him. And my visit will be a terrible one. The very first one that I visited him, what happened at his palace? How many lives did he lose? He lost so many lives. They have intentionally covered things up. You don't want to voice out. This time around, my second visitation will be a wonderful one. How many people have you people killed in this country at the expense of your greediness? You want to amass an illicit wealth. You have soiled your hands in innocent blood. So many families are being put to death just like that because of you people. You think you can just pay people to come and take my life just like that? You people are idiots. You don't think. Very foolish people. You have become an embodiment of spiritual wicked forces. Sometimes you should sit yourself down. When you take the lives of the innocent souls in, and then you use their innocent blood to enrich yourself, then you take your kids to higher institutions. You take the life of the innocent one, the poor one in the society. You take their life, use their life to appease your so-called boss, and then your boss gives you ordinary paper in the form of money. Then you use this very money to take care of your kids. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel when you take the life of the innocent ones in a society and you use their blood as rituals to pacify your so-called gods that you have been worshiping? After doing that, how do you feel? Tell me, how do you feel? Then you use the money that you have amassed illicitly to pose as if you are a rich man, a foolish and a vacuous, imbecile rich man. You can't even write your name, and you want to command everybody. You want everybody to come and bow to you. You want everybody to come and bow to you in your so-called foolish executive, whatever society you have created. You want me to come and bow to you. Me, OPATAFUOR, bow to you. A vacuous imbecile of your type, bowing to you. You're a very foolish man. You don't know what you're doing. By the time that I'm done dealing with you, you understand the realities of who exactly that I am. You see, last month, what happened to you? When you tried misbehaving, it was just a spoken word. I didn't even send a spirit. But you see how you were disgraced in this country. You see how people were launching an attack. People were fighting you from all the media firms. You see how you have lost your respect. You see how you have lost your respect. People don't respect you because now people have eventually got to know what you are doing. People know you very well. If you don't know, let me tell you the truth. You see, you started granting interviews. When was the last time that you came live on any of your media firms to grant an interview? You have never done that. Do you know me? Do you know who OPATAFUOR is? Go and tell that so-called paramount chief who is part of your organization that I am never afraid of him a bit. We are all humans. If he kills me, praise the Lord. But if he is not able to kill me, I swear by my last blood. I swear. You don't know me. Let's see what happens next.
And it is a shine so obey and change my wife. Erinya Wihini and Namposu said Dubai. That global seer, Assasia no nice here. OPATAFUOR, why are you saying OPATAFUOR? Hey, we yet yes, OPATAFUOR. A random quite ye, so what can it be on par? A grip you book as the way. I did mouse, I will bet on a pomano that the equity. I know people can see OPATAFUOR. The one who obey us, I sit away.
You started laying false claims when you were granting interviews that I started by selling this and that. Very foolish man. Do you think whatever that you have been saying is of the truth, right? All the evil things that you people have perpetrated behind closed doors, the atrocious things you have committed against humanity, even you people, they have not come after you. Then how much more me? You pay people to go and scout things out. and see if I am into any criminal deeds. That is what you have been doing. You pay people to go and scout things out and see for yourselves if I am into any criminal deeds. If I have ever involved myself in any criminal deals, so that you base on that to launch an attack at me. You have been paying people to come and then investigate me. Where does he get his money from? We learned he has shut down his church. So where does he get his money from? A lot of things. You see, I don't kill anybody. I don't steal from anybody. I have never scammed anybody. I don't do things to wrong my fellow human. I don't do anything. I don't do anything that is wicked against my fellow human. I don't do it. You evil people, the company that you have established, how many people have you used for sacrifice? Even your media firm, how many people has lost their lives? You think I don't know? And you think we don't know? That very friend of yours, the last time he lost his son, what happened? When I came there and took his son alive, if you people claim you are powerful, why were you not able to liberate your son? You sat there and watched me taking his life and you were not able to do anything. Now you want to pose as if you are powerful. When I visited you, how many cars has been destroyed? Go and count it yourself. My next visitation will be like you don't know. Tell me, you were not even able to pull a single strand of my hair. When people start making a life, you people will gang up against the person. You literally gang up against the person. You go behind doors, perform evil incantations. You go on highways to sprinkle object or substance on the way so that you create accident, and at the end of the day you use the blood for your evil satisfaction. And that is exactly what you people have been doing. Do you think we don't have true Christians in this country? We have true Christians in this country, and everybody who prays knows that your hand is soiled in innocent blood. Even your own family. Let me tell you, I have visited your family. I have visited your family. Your own family knows that you are a ritualist because you have destroyed so many people in the family. You have killed so many people in the family. They know you. Your own hometown. Your own hometown people, they know you. At the early beginnings, how you people used to stage those satanic events, they are aware. So please, if you think I have done anything wrong, I have never done anything wrong. Why should I commit a crime against my fellow? Maybe something will happen accidentally. With that, I can't deny, because nobody knows what tomorrow holds. Like how this guy actually hit this woman in the gory accident that happened. I'm very sure that the guy in his rightful senses will never, with an intention of hitting the woman. Yes, the guy who was involved in the accident that we actually had on the 12th April 2026. The guy involved, the guy who took the life of the woman, I'm never sure that he will ever plan. What exactly has the woman done to him? The woman has not done anything wrong to him. So that is what we can say is an accident. So accident do happen to everybody. But purportedly sitting down to conspire evil against my fellow human, that is what I will never do. I will never do that. Why should I sit down and conspire evil against my fellow human? I will never do that. I was never raised in that way, and I've never been taught to behave in that way. No. So don't worry. You started this battle. You see, right from when I actually established my TV station, you went all the way to get links in government to shut my TV station down. Because those days, that foolish actress who is also into rituals and has been using young individuals, young kids, you intentionally buy stuff in the name of visiting a children's home. Then out of that, you do your sacrifices. This girl, you went to your guru, your spiritual grandmaster, and outfitted to the grandmaster that I have established a TV station, and the TV station is costing you people a lot, because it's like everywhere that you go, people are watching my TV station, and your program is sinking, so they should take my TV station down. Now you try sending fire to my TV station, and I revoke it and return it back. Your studios nearly got bent. Now you see, you have been disgraced in all angles. You are pretending as if you are good, but we know you are evil. You see, your husband has left you. You are a disgrace. You see how the Lord has disgraced you in all angles. You are living in Accra, that foolish life. You see how you have been disgraced. You see how you have been disgraced. You are portraying as if you are innocent, but you have been sacrificing people's star for your own selfish interest, and I'm aware of it. When you try all these things and you people were not successful, this is where you went to the owner of those people that owns the transponder and stuff like that by telling them that they should take down my TV station. I'm aware. I know you people. You are evil. Show me a single individual in this country who has ever launched an attack at me and the person has gone literally scot-free just like that. Tell me. There is no single soul who has ever attacked me. I know I'm innocent. I don't think evil about people. There is no single individual in this country who has gone against me and has not been disgraced. Tell me, from politicians to kings and queens to you, these media personnel. I hold media individuals in higher esteem, but some of you radio presenters, actors and actresses are evil. You are doing harm to the people more than good. Tell me, you this woman, you are a very evil woman. You see how you were disgraced? You see how your husband left you? Have you seen your smoothness level? If you hadn't attacked me, maybe you would have been in marriage enjoying your husband. But the very moment you attacked me, you see your smoothness level. You see that from that day onwards, you have lost your credibility in the sight of people. They don't respect you anymore. You see, even young guys and boys who are supposed to accord you with maximum respect, they come live and insult the hell out of you just like that. Do you know why? That is me. You see, you, that politician who took me to the former president just to bring me down. You see the call that you made. You see how it has cost you. You see how it has cost you. You, that politician, you took me to that former president to level all forms of accusations against me with the intention of circumventing me, bringing me down, just to get me eliminated from the system. Have you people seen your smoothness level? You see what it has cost you. I have intentionally decided not to lay my hands on you because you are somebody that right from day one, I have loved you with my heart, and I have even come publicly to speak about you. So I'm a type that I don't want people to see that, or to see me in a way where somebody that have publicly come out to comment, then in latter part of my life, I will stand toe to toe with the person. No. If I decide to come after you, you will not like the outcome. You, that politician, you see your end. You see, you must understand that. You must understand that. I don't think evil against anybody. I don't think evil against anybody. I have a clean and a clear conscience. My heart is as pure as the snow. I don't have any evil intentions against anybody. I will never sit down with the intention of conspiring evil against my fellow human. That is not part of me. I'm still in the game. And let me sound this as a warning to some of you people. There is nobody who will hide behind scenes. Whether you are a politician, you are a paramount chief or a sub chief or whatever. If you respect me, I'll respect you. But when you see me and you see me as a small boy, and as a matter of fact, you will love to use my age, my status, my stature. Listen, my age, my status, my stature. 3 different things that probably defines humanity. If you will use it against me, just to bully me, just to intimidate me, I'm telling you, go and ask. You know a lot about me. How many pastors? How many pastors? You, that prophet who resides in Kumasi, when you went to your godfather and told your godfather that because I'm in Kumasi, things are not working in your favor, so they should do something about it. Your grandmaster, your godfather, came for me. What happened next? You have seen your smoothness level. You were disgraced in all angles and sizes. You see, I can turn this disgrace to be a weapon of death. But you know something? I am a good person in the essence that sometimes I assume that maybe one day you people will repent. So I don't push to the red button. I don't press it. I don't necessarily press the red button so that it will take your life. No. I give each and everybody that momentum to change. So you must sit yourself down and ask yourself question. If I have sat down to conspire evilly against this young guy and it has turned to be a disgrace on me, don't you think that very same disgrace can be used as, instead of the disgrace, we will use death to visit you as well? I can do that. But I am a merciful person. I show mercy to all and sundry. I show mercy to all and sundry. How far? Senior prophet, I respect your office so much. How far? Is it how you were disgraced in the previous government? Is it how your godfather was disgraced recently? And even in the previous government, your godfather was disgraced. He was disgraced in all angles. Do you know why? You have touched the lion's tail. And the Bible says that touch not my anointing. Do my prophet no harm. I have not done anything wrong to you people. You want to just eliminate me from the system just like that. You have been trying. When you go to the religious sector, you people have been putting in maximum effort just to get me eliminated from the system. When you go to the political sector, I have not done anything. I have not campaigned for any political party. Both NPP, NDC, I love you people so much. By just that, among some of you, some are evil. A very foolish actress. She think I don't know how she thinks she is. You think you can bring your nonsense to the doorstep of everybody, right? You intentionally buy some goods and pay a visit to the orphanage. After donating to them, then you use them for sacrifices. And you have been the front page of the media for ages. And because of that, you think you are a boss. Oh my dear, you are not a boss. You are not a boss. You are a boss. You are probably a boss in your own jurisdiction. But once you get the feeling that you want to overstep your boundary, somebody somewhere will cut you short. Is it your husband has left you? You have been disgraced ever since then. Something has literally left your body. You, that actress, something has left your body. Do you know why? You are a joke. Oh my goodness. You see, all those bright upcoming artists, both the side of movie and music, within the entertainment industry, all those people who visited her shows, who went on her show, it's either the person has sunk or dead. You can just go and cross-check it. She feeds on the star of other people. All those who visited her on her shows, it's either they have sunk or they are dead. All the upcoming ones. Why so? Why is it supposed to be that? Why is it supposed to be that? You people are causing harm to people more than what they think you people are doing. How can you be there and say this young guy's prayer is tormenting us? It's destroying our every move. So find every means to bring him down. How can you tell me this story? This young guy's prayer is literally disturbing us. So find all the ways. Deploy all tactics and schemes. So, Opatafuor, me, I don't have anything against you. I will say this to all of you, and when you call me tomorrow, I'll repeat it. I don't have any issues with anybody, but I hate intimidation. Don't cross my path. If you think you are a champion, be a champion within your given jurisdiction, within your terrain, within your confine. Be the champion within that. Be a champion in your own lane. But don't think you are using whatever deity that you are serving to come and intimidate me. No, I respect everybody. I respect everybody. I respect everybody. Whether you are a king, you are a politician, you are a Muslim, you are a Christian, you are a traditionalist, whoever you are, both the grown and the young ones, I respect everybody. Let's live peacefully. But don't try in your wildest dream that you want to threaten my life. Opatafuor is becoming too noisy in the system, so let me try and cut him short. Who on earth has ever stand toe to toe with me and has never felt it so massively? Tell me. All those who avail themselves to be used as a weapon against me, today they have ever regretted. Do you know why? My hands are clean. I have a clear and a clean conscience. I don't commit a crime against my fellow human. You people go around impersonating the character of Jesus. You have been praising God because you know that when you do that, people will take off their eyes from you. And behind closed doors, you do your evil things. You don't care killing your fellow human. You don't care taking the souls of your fellow human. Whatever that you do to arrive at whatever that you aim at, you do it. Is that how you people are? Very evil people. Very, very, very evil people. They pretend to be mentioning the name Jesus. Oh, if hadn't been the grace of God, we wouldn't have come this far. Who told you? You went to the cemetery to go and buy human scar, human bones, to be used in a ritual for you. Today, you have been able to be successful in whatever evil endeavors that you underwent. Now you are telling people that it is through the grace of God. Which grace is that? Which kind of grace makes people to go and sleep in a cemetery? Which kind of grace makes people to take the souls of their fellow human without showing a sign of remorse? Which kind of grace is that? Which kind of grace pushes you people to press the red button of people's life? What kind of grace is that? You take all forms of enchantment, objects and materials, substances that has been imbued with magical powers. You sprinkle those objects on the highways. Then you have been causing a high-end cataclysmic activities. How many people's life has been lost? Temamoto Way. How many people have died over there? Accra to Kumasi. Accra to Cape Coast, Kumasi to Takrady, how many people have lost their life? Accra to Aflao, how many people have lost their life? It is you, these various individuals who has a selfish interest, evil egos. You are the very one perpetrating all this evilness. During the night time, you are a black man with a black sense. During the daytime, you portray yourselves as white men with white senses. Every now and then, how many lives? Accra to Kumasi. Then you take the lives of more than 10, 15 people. Blood has always been your medium of transaction. Blood has always been your medium of transaction. Ordinary $100,000. You must commit a crime against your fellow human. You must spill blood on the ground. Pastors are doing it. Kings and queens are doing it. Higher governmental officers are doing it. So today, whom exactly should we run to? Tell us. The society we have created for ourselves. Imagine you visiting a witch doctor, a Zangoma, for the person to give you some witchcraft object, to go and sprinkle on highway, to cause accident to fellow humans so that they will lose their life in the midst of the accident, to achieve your evil and selfish agenda. After that, when you amass an illicit wealth, then you take your sons and daughters to high schools. How do you feel it? You are using the blood of innocent souls to be serving your own daughters.
Yamana go prophet OPATAFUOR. Adiera didi na prophet OPATAFUOR. Akanesio avira neba. Yejino grevi na yejinemu. Yamana go prophet OPATAFUOR. Yejino grevi endie na yejinemu. Yamana go prophet OPATAFUOR.
Now, you see, there is a man in Kumasi. I wouldn't love to mention his name, but I'm saying something little about this man. And most of you will get to know whom I am trying to refer to. There is a man who lives in Kumasi but has so many stores in Adum. Now, this man, he is very famous. But do you know something? Now, this man is part of the secret society who claims to be an executive so and so. Now, what this man normally does is that they have given him a pot that has been charged with the blood of an innocent child, 6 of them, and the blood of innocent pregnant women. Now, what this man has been charged with is that when they meet at night, They perform some enchantment and orchestrate a satanic event. If you are a business mogul who is an uprising, or maybe you are in the system and they tend to discover you, they orchestrate a satanic event where they will cast a spell on you. And when they cast the spell on you, you lose, or you literally lose everything. Now, if after losing everything, they will intentionally push one of their group members to your end. And the group member, with the intention of coming to console you, that's how you will think that this guy is coming to console you. But behind closed doors, what they will do is that after pretending to be consoling, sympathizing, and showing empathy to you, they will in turn tell you that you should come. They will help you with money. Now, if you decide not to come, then they will lend you some money. If you decide not to come and join their evil organization, they will lend you with some money. And the money that they will lend you with, they will put the money in that particular evil pot that has been charged with an evil energy. Then they will give the money to you. I swear by the sword of justice that the Lord has given to me, you can never pay them back. And by so doing, you become their slave. They are occultic organization. They are in Kumasi. There are 6 pastors who are part of this occultic organization. There are 6 pastors. And these 6 pastors, when you attend, some of them, 3 out of the 6 pastors, when you attend their church, they will intentionally give you loan to go and support your business. And by so doing, they will use the money to exchange your star. So in the realms of the spirit, you have traded your star for that amount of money. Whether you go in for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, or 20,000, you have traded your star for that. And for that moment onwards, you become their slave forever. You can never progress. You live on hand to mouth. Now, this guy is in a doom. He has a protruded stomach. Now, he bears the name of one of the titles remain for religious leaders, especially Christians. Now, you see, in the Christendom, we have a title like apostle, evangelist, prophet, a teacher, bishop, and archbishop. Now, any of you who is listening to me should go to Adum and ask of a man who bears or who has or who responds to the name of any of the names that I've made mention. This is it: a prophet, an evangelist, a bishop, an apostle. These 4 names. Go to Adum and ask. A man who is prominent at that particular space and bears the name of any of the one that I've made mention. He has collected the destiny of so many people. They have taken the property of so many people. They are devils in real human life. They have destroyed so many people's life. I'm telling you. He is part of that occultic and satanic organization. And they are controlling this country behind closed doors. You think they are good. Very evil people. Very, 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 very evil people.
Prophet OPATAFUOR, yeah, no gravity, yeah, the nemo, yeah, man, I go, Prophet OPATAFUOR, yeah, genography, yeah, the nemo, yeah, man, I go, Prophet OPATAFUOR, yeah, genography, yeah, the nemo, so the mama wa be buomwa, I didn't go be so OPATAFUOR. No yango point ne si osini papi asosie mu buwe. Bro basia PATAFUOR. Hey! Adie radidi nam prophet OPATAFUOR no. Okanesi ofra neba. Hey, yeje no grewi na yeje nemu. Yemana iko prophet OPATAFUOR.
So these people, they literally pretend as if they are helping you, but behind closed doors they are causing harm more than good. They have higher governmental officials who are part of it. They have legal luminaries who are part of the organization. We have high police commanders, police officers who are part of this organization, and they will stage a satanic event. Once they are able to orchestrate to fruition, then they pass through either the legal sector or the police sector, and they uses that authority and then intimidate you. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. They have destroyed so many lives. Now they turn as if they are helping the society. What help are you people helping? What help are you people helping? Tell me, what kind of help are you people helping?
Yamana iko prophet OPATAFUOR no. Yejinu grewi yendie na yejinemu. Yamana iko prophet OPATAFUOR. Adie radidi nam prophet OPATAFUOR no. Akanesi.
So let me tell you. Tell somebody to tell somebody that OPATAFUOR, me, I don't own anybody. Let me day my day. You people should also day your day. Don't think you use your evil powers to cripple me, because that is not what I will allow it to happen. If you fight me, I'll fight you back. Unless you are able to take the last blood in me, of which you know that will never happen. So any grandmaster who have an opportunity to watch this particular video, please operate within your given jurisdiction. Be the grandmaster of your own. Protect your own family. Provide for your family. Don't overstep my boundary. I will also not overstep my boundary. The very moment you try to overstep your boundary, it means you are infringing on my rights, spiritually, physically. And everything that I will do to act against that act, I will do it. I'm telling you, I respect everybody. Me bu okonfobia, me bu malam bia, me bu ni nkyerɛ sɛ me koto sɔle wotumi, na emo me bu sɛ woyɛ nipa. Nti ɛwɔ sɛ me di anidie ma wo. Tie ni yie. Ebina Elia edi abufuo ekotwitwa akonfo 450 tia. Awurade Jacob tumfo ka kyerɛ sɛ ni kwase kuku omo no, because ebia na ebia sesa. Nti me wani die ni obuo di ma okonfo malam bia. But sɛ me yedi ma wa no nkyerɛ sɛ misuro wo. Opɛ sɛ ugunsa na emfa mpuntuo mrɛ wo wabrabo. but engu nsa wo mi tiri so, because ogu nsa wo mi tiri so na metia me de toa na wo di gu nsa na ba hwi utiri me ka no kra kyerɛw sana me life tie eni nti na me ndidi konfo atem nti na me ndidi malam bi atem ana kramoni bi atem no unhu se didi obi atem da, because minim say ewiye ne bibia betimi asi sana abrabɔ ne tie ba wo ye wa adwene say o be king kankaratu o de tasbia no ana ba kyerɛ snake so be gusi de o be bɔ anwea e de atia me opatafoɔ de a ene ka hunu say me de tasbia no e be hye okon na ma twe fom. Sana my life to you.
Ya jinu grevi yendi na ye jinemu ya mana iko prophet opatafo agara didi na prophet opatafo no okanesi afra neba ya jinu grevi na ye jinemu ya mana iko prophet opatafo ya jinu grevi yendi na ye jinemu ya mana iko prophet opatafo eba abaya sasima eyesano nyame aya no nana basano ebeti akedi afo obebu dadi adapan no yisumu akurade apie Yamana yiko prophet opatafo eradia siesie no sa my dendene eno se sheki anase wosumpa ni chirebe ye no ye bengu no opatafo nsem eno se gana maye misimu se monye kuma efisa ye mumuna opatafo no afiri apa ono na odi erade huhuma won so no eba beji erade maye free kwa ye mo ofra na eba ya jino grevi na ya jinemu ya mana yiko prophet opatafo no ya jino grevi ya ndie na ya jinemu ya mana yiko prophet opatafo adiera didi na prophet opatafo no akanesio afira na eba ya jino grevi.
So basically what I was saying, I respect everybody. I respect everybody. I am very careful with my actions towards everybody that I meet in life. I don't want to do a mistake where I will leave this planet Earth. Then Jesus will tell me that the work that I did was bad. No. So I am very careful, because no matter how it is, everybody has the opportunity. You have that particular chance to change your life, to turn on a new leaf. So I don't speak against a malam. I don't speak against a fetish priest. What I probably speak against is action, is behavioral patterns, not the appearance, the physical stature of that person. I don't do that. I don't do that. And I've already said in my previous videos that you can't literally force everybody to accept Jesus Christ. No. There is no prophet, no apostle, no bishop here on earth who can force anybody or everybody to accept Christ. No. Especially not when revelations has been made known to us. You know very well that There are 6 things that will happen in this end time. There are 6 major events that is being conceived in the womb of the devil. And very soon, the devil will give birth. 6 major events. 6 major events that has been conceived in the womb of the devil. So in this end time, 6 things are bound to happen, and it will happen right before our nose, and we will witness it ourselves. And I know exactly these 6 things are that will happen in this end time. So once I have a clue about what is on the way coming, then it should tell you that I know exactly how to go along with my life. I know exactly what to do at any moment in time. So you can't literally force anybody to accept whatever you think you believe in it. No, it will never happen. You can't force everybody to believe and accept in whatever you think you believe in it. That an act can never happen. That is why I don't force myself. The day that I feel like coming to preach, then I'll come. The days of John the Baptist is over. The days of Christ is over. The days of Moses is over. The days of Jeremiah, the great prophet, it's over. We have gotten to a realm and a moment where our prescriptions of life is different. But one thing that I always keep on telling people is that if you think occultic organization befits you very well, it is that you delight in, go ahead and go and join your occultic society. After all these occultic society, they operate under the ordinance of a deity. There is no occultic society here on earth who functions on their own. They are all also serving a different deity. If you think that is what you deem it right, you can go ahead and affiliate or associate yourself to any occultic society that you deem it fit. And that one, I have nothing to do about that. After all, I'm not the one who gave birth to you. I'm not your family member. And what if I'm your family member? Do I care? I don't care. But what will make me care is when you step on my toes. There is freedom of worship. Freedom of worship means you can worship your nananum. But if you pour libation and give to your nananum and tell your nananum to come and attack me, this is where I'll have issues with you. This is where I will invite you to the mountain that is full of porcupines. Do you know what a porcupine is? When you pour libation, when you conjure and invoke deities, necromantic spirit, the dreaded deities of the underworld, demons, evil spirit. If you have been dining and whining with dreaded deities, demons of a higher frequency, either from the Leloria, the Aria, the Shitonia, the Mesophase, the Analia, the Hydria, where you deem it fit, whatever God you think you are serving, make sure you serve that particular God in peace and tell that particular God to prosper your ways. When you are prospered, at the end of the day, I will not have a bite in your prosperity. It will be unto you and your generation. That is if it is possible. But when you overstep your boundary with a deliberate intention of coming to suppress me, to bring me down, my brother, we will never know peace. Both of us, we will never know peace. I'm telling you. We will go haywire. Understand that. Me, I don't care losing church members. That is my life. If the church members like you and they love you, if they have you at heart, nobody can pollute them. So if a pastor or an individual is able to pollute anybody, I count that person as not my property. That person doesn't belong to me. Because if that person belongs to me, you can't pollute that person. That is why I'm not hungry for church members. Didn't you hear what Jesus said? He says, I've not come for everybody, but I've come for those lost souls, those old sheep. They are the reasons why I have come. So me found me opatafuo me found ni utumi a osom obosom a osom o ka wa bi a wakwaje o malam bi a o hye ba bi a o guside tworo slate so me found ene anwea bi a malam bi wode agu nanim ebiebie mu ho de makira wo na wo se saa de ne na wo pe eye wo life so be galamsey ho de me nhwem ho. Even Bible kura say me di owuo ne nkwa asi mo anim de open chusi obi pe nkwa and obi super owuo any your whole life. That is your life. Even the Bible went ahead by saying that I have placed life and death before you. Choose in between what pleases you. Is it life or death? After all this, and you think you push your malam for your malam to press the red button. Yellow means get ready. Green means go. Red means stop, which means you make me stop in life. You make me stop from breathing. Oh my dear, you are a fellow human. I am ever ready for you. I'm telling you the truth. Me dear, we are na me wono, me mfo obia ho. De wugi di bia na ewo wasem. Eno de me nyam na make decision ama. Yesu abra Yesu ye anwanwa dwuma na maame kama bi ba Yesu nchen. Wose wura Jimmy baba e kuri mame. Jimmy baba mai mame. Yesu hwe nanim din wose hwe. Aduane ade madi pamma ye mfa man kra mama. So what I say, which means Jesus was not there for everybody. He said it in his ministry. He said it to the people that I am not there for anybody, but I'm there for some specific people who are the old flocks. And OPATAFUOR mini homo ubia intime church member bia ni ho ana asole ba bia ni obetimi asole one day say me jai OPATAFUOR asole na ye me ya ana enipa 3 eba ma asore enipa 10,000 ko bi asore nti ye me ya me sa rubbish no enkama koma kura emfa me ho single me ade akina won chia me emfa me ho ade akina obechia me emfa me ho sa na me suban tie uni ma me ka kiro unim de ntia awieye mre mu enioma 6 ene besi e wa awieye mre mu wo ye ho hwe a enye yie na ni nyina so wo Bible ni aka just 4 years tienie aka just 4 years na enioma 6 na besi no the edika na ye first one na esi aka just 4 years sa ba ku ebesi enti I didn't know what me how una ode ho de okra the other crab be a hold the mechira and yem yada. Say, Master baby say, OPATAFUOR, Majaya, sorry, name ya, Chiaka, didn't know, say, me, Name me found. Me and Fan Moda, and Tina, where Misubaya, Misubaya different. Dabi. Mini nine. Na minyan so mimi. Enti, obi si Majaya OPATAFUOR sorry, I'm really doing me and family. Ope kura akọjọ ne bonsam. You will taste. You will taste. Not you say. You will taste. And so, if you are a grandmaster, please keep on grandmastering in your given terrain. So also your grandmaster, baby, I will your grandmaster seven. Me pacho yen ho. Say eye ensana u believe wa me pacho. Say eye nananom say wo atiaframa wo bosumbi. Adie bi a wo hyew dem biara. Hausa ni bekasi yankudi me pacho. Eye wa wasem eno nye me masem. De bema me OPATAFUOR mentena ho ma na me no mienu ijabeto yemu eye saade na ehwe wo dem no se wo try se wo de saade no edi me OPATAFUOR bone ana obi obe me bone a obi a obe me na ode ne ho abegya me se odifo OPATAFUOR abrabo na me bono me ni me ho so hwe enti edura na adwena wo tena se na wo ye nioma ya ye bi ma me sai nipa na ode me ho abegya me no minye nyame miye nipa nenso onyankopon na nipa so na gi nipa onyankopon di Israel foko gya Moses enti se miye Moses abeti asase we so na obi di ne ho abasa papa me ne wo nante de enyen wo sunsum no to mame ne tenetene mame no saa nipa no sa wo do grandmaster sem wo do wakonfo sem wo do malam sem ekono so a me pa to me no mienu ye be hye dross baako tieni me no mienu ye be hye dross baako pa na hwe a dross na mu beti saa na pese oti ase opa yusu Ghana fo nyina ayifo Pentecost fo ho Assemblies of God fo ho CAC fo ho esumbe kra individual churches ni bebere ho yusu omu nyina form ye sacrifice ho de mechira SDA fo ho obetimi de o ma sacrifice and de mechira na meme de na homne me nam ne de me pa cho odo ho be ka hey ye be she dross ba ye be she pieto na ye freni turumutia no ye be she ba ko nyina ye to ho agu ho me ka no kra cho efiri se mentena ho ema wo mfa nipa na ode ne ho abegya me no kra na akoye ninguase ama me ni me nyankopon saa de mpacha mempene enti de wo sum bia tumi bia wo gini di bia e wawasem ha tienie wo ye baifu a me mfa wo ne wo bayi opa won se me mabo bayi o ma sori dem da mo a mo hwe mo mo nye no kwafo mo se mabo bayi o ma sori dem da won say OPATAFUOR ma begina publicly abeka kire say machi baifo o ma sori da me need time for sani o man because me nim say me so na me kron esene bayi nti ade nti na say me kwa bayisem enti wo ye baifo a fa obayi no anadwo a obi ada no fa ko obo ase ho na gold wo na fa obayi na anadwo obi ada nti se ne na anadwo se wo Ghana na ye baifo a fa obayi no ko obo ase na kokofa gold ade be kina obayi na mo aye sikani na se o se o va obayi no enkope sika na wo di go obayi no wo di be wi nipa na mo a me no ni problem o enipa bi a opani bi a wene nam we Pentecost for nam we CAC for nam we Nkramo for nam we Presby for nam we Methodist for nam we Roman for nam we nam bia ho no nyame masem but oya wa adwene say ubewi me hu nipa nam a opatafoɔ ba nam a me pa cho beka osim eno so de me ba me musa say eye den me ba no ni safety eye first sanity enti yenyina yentena sundwiem na me de enye wa adwene say me behunu no opatafoɔ da wo yare obi a me ye fa me free desert so eye tumi na atete me free mofra brem ma di tumi abepim say na ye de na wo say obetimi a take me life just like that. Please, you should be careful. Whatever you believe in it, that is what you have hiding in your own room. I know dear, I don't come in there. Whatever that you believe in it, you have it in your room. If you believe in Angulele spirit, it's your own cup of tea. That one, I can't authoritate you to stay away from that. If you believe in I can see, can saw spirit, is your own cup of tea. Adie bia oji di bia eye wa wasem. Me pa uchaw. Me opatafuo me ntimi nhyɛw. Opekura fafun. Yamu e dahui. Opa fa yamu yi. Nefa entakre tuatua yamu yi ho. Na ade kyene a start ne twa mogya gusu. Na ye wa adwene sɛ we na ye onyankopɔn. Me mfa ho. Nemu ubeye ho se ube habi opatafuo dia memu afili foke me busa me yema ne ye fese me na mitimi wura abusua bakum me kum nipa be 10 14 ansa na mama me se kanso me me yema ne ye fe busa onken kan bible onken kan bible me yema ne ye fese. You don't know. So Jesus actually says something to the people. He says, anybody who falls on a stone shall be broken into pieces. But anyone that the stone will fall on you, you will be completely incinerated or completely annihilated. That is it. Incinerated and annihilated. Go and look for the meaning of that word. I don't insult or conform. A Zangoma, a witch doctor, I will never insult you because that is what you believe in it. Me, it's none of my business. You'll only be held accountable when the master of the universe, the head of all principalities, the head of all spirit comes. This is where you'll be held accountable. But as far as I live in the fleshy world, possess this flesh, I don't have that right to hold you accountable. I will only have you in my domain to hold you accountable when you overstep your boundaries to fight me. With that, we will wear one pant.
Ya jinu grevi, yendi na ye jinemu. Ya mana iko professor pata.
Why na? Or say otun who see her say obehame opatafuo ananimu ngu ase. Why no say obehame opatafuo ananimu ngu ase. Bebre omo sere kurans ansa na omati. Bebre abofom. Bebre sika hye. Bebre animu gu ase. Bebre omo nioma firi omo nsa. Bebre hure kura wo because omo de wo hu si ho se ye be sori ati opatafuo omo ewo Ghana ni ntwe no ne monte ne so wona ewo amonone bebre animu agu ase. Unim de ntia me ndwene woni pa ho bone me mfa ho oye obayi a fatena ofie oye obosomfo oye omalam oye hwan mi mesori ntia wo da sana misuban tie said ye mi nsoli ntia wo me pa cha wo so ensoli ntia me because wo soli tia me dia aha ene e be hye pieto ba ko me commit crime against humanity. And before so Nyankopon ema me tumi no o ma me sue out Eradi Nyankopon ma me de me nsa egu altar so me nsa gu altar so sei enya mo altar na e wa ha no afori buchi a esi the 4th degrees and the 4th camp eya busa se sa afori buchi a no e de na ye no ho the 7th degree, the 4th camp. There is an altar over there. Your mammy de mensasi a good altar so. And I'm swear you say. Me nina baby se mi bomi tim aya boni tia mi yonku ni pada. Se me yesa akodia ewo altar ni mu nyinara. Eni nioma ni tumi o matwa ho ahia nyinara. Ha? Ombeba me so attack. No ma be say me. Eho ene ye wo altar. Tienie. Eho ne ye wo altar. Sa altar no. Ye wo bibi e frɛ Malaki Shabala. Sa na Hebrew fo be ka kyerɛ. Shabala Malaki Shabala no. Ye from the destroy all the destroying angels. Ye wo angels bi wo ha. Yen ye kasam ni be from so omo ye destroyers. The nti omo ye destroyers no. E be a earthquake. E be a thunderstorm. E be a lightning bolt. Omo nyina omo na atwa sa aforibuchi an ho ahia. Sa ahonhom na omo kos say Mizrim omo kokunkum omo mamerima no. Sa ahonhom na omo de yare ekoye Mizrimfo no. Sa apuye emframa na okopai epukoko mu no sa tumi no. Omo nyina ye from Malaki Shabala. Omo nyina no omo wo the 7th degree at the 4th camp. Sa aforibuchi a eso no omo hwe. Enti ever known destroying spirits bia ye omo ye adwuma tienie ye wo Satan destroying angels wo ho ene wo Nyankopon so destroying angels omo wo ho no omo dosu ye obi ho kra ye mo omo din ye wo ahonhom ni bi wo ha mintimi nka omo ho asam nkyerɛw because me ka omo ho asam be ba me so attack sa ahonhom ni nyina omo anim ene ye ma me de me nsa egu altar so nti no opatafuo me nya oboni ntia wo da ebi kura nsi da se me kotena sinema bopo na me de boni aye me nua ebi kura nsi da enka osoro kura ntwe ma me da me mfa anibre so mobra eni nti na nipa ya made aya na ye me ya no ase kire no sanso na metie se wo ha me wo ye ade me ka no wamfini a bosi ma bande me ma o man ni biem de opa bia opaka decision na mama take no de enti ya me avoid wo no de enti ya me avoid wo no nya bibia o me avoid you because one be ya obeya na ma bie ma no aka bibia de wachi na ahohom na be attack me me Jacob tumfuo sheda maame special powers me special powers me ne high ranking entities eneko enye nkwala tumi na me ne omoko enye nkwala tumi ena me opatafoɔ me ne omoko enti na me ha me ho oboso ho no was steady me me ha me ho oboso ho me ha me ho omotia ho me ha me ho ogini ho me ha me ho ewo abayifuo ho emframa ne saa ne matumi no me ha me ho because me high ranking member, I'm part of the scribes. Inti me ha me ho saa ne man because omu nyina ye below me. Inti se wo saa ko gina ho se ukobo afode e de amatumi bi a wo hye nase na tumi ni me attack me hwe ya me kasa me visit wa bra ahwe ya na waade ba ko pe na awo no afiri wonsa. That is me. Menkuwa na nyankopon menkuwa na Jacob tumfuo no odi atiasefo ba nan no de ni titi se jata no menkuwa me ne sofo a otimi visit me e wasase we so. Show me a single pastor in this country or the world that has access to that entity. Show me. Menkuwa menkuwa na ejaniti mi ma others. Say the first among the 24 elders. Fa me kra embutu nanim. The first among the 24 elders, to which the entire celestial bureaucracy they bow to. Dear Nenase to me be ni osoro ni asase a owo to me so ohwe nanim. De ohwe nanim no ejana ewo nanim no ehye no mane te se enso na ewia epepa ofiri wiase. Enti ahohom ewo wiem ensu ase krampo no omo mfa ne nyehwe like omo approach no onu nko ani to me a oti akonya so. Enso me Jacob tumfuo the janese we me de ne crash onsa obehwe ne so kopem say obefira asase ne so. Me sawo de otoso 10 no ono na meta ne na mpese me bom afia ona me ne bom afia ona Moses ede ne pai form edi Korah Datani Abiram ewura form no ona ode no tormenti Misrimfo oma empompo boni oma entutu mebe ono na oma apuye mframa ebe bie apunim ema omu famu no de otoso 10 no ono de mo frɛ no Yahua no mesane ne nam ntime o kam ya meka obi ntina mani so hyehye no ansa na de otoso 15 no ono na wiase ahintasem nyina akura no. The reason ti am wo secret bebrebe no enye book na makan enye obi na teach me enye obi na di matena ba bi a kyere me minim de wose me ye me ne 15 no me ne nam 24/7. If I want to know anything, I just call him, he will come. Not in a dream state, physical. Na me to me na kasa na ma de mpese me tie ni matie nti me ye ntena ba bi mo me hopo on be report wa ma misisi a sana me life tie nti wotena na o ye on say we grandmaster masa me visit wa obe fili o obe fili e be te say de wa bre ni ama o drink bi a e de se fa quench o test no bonse na mo minimu yo wa be fili ankasa sana misuba ente to me de bia me catch you say me mfa boni nye nipa nti obi yes wo ye me boni a na me opatafoɔ no kora me say suma nipa no because ahohu ebeba be attack wo no di omo be ye wo no me wie no na me kora me hu ana me ra ho. That is me. Entina obi a obey me bia unya be me a ha nipa bi obey me bia na mabie na mama o enkwan su bonten ano na wa hyase na wudi de animonyam na wuni bia na wa hyase enya animonyam wunua no mukra muwa na o ma hyase ebu adinti afise me ma nkwan su bonten e ma onom a mimi nsuo na amabɔ no me ma obi ma onom a wunua no mbebu abusua ne behwe wachi omo a emfa ni die ma no on be hyase edi eni die ama. And that is my nature. The omu emfa ho no on be hyase afa ho. That is my nature. The same thing implies wahumumu bi kumasefo ni bi enkranfo ni bi mo amu abrochiri mo a motu mu hu si ho se mo sori atia me no ahun dia atoto bebre ahun ahokyere ebi wo hokura just $1,000 kura no dey ma onim di ntia waka no wona asem se emfa wonsa enka onyame nipa a wasra no me nya boni ntia nipa o me nya boni ntia nipa me nya boni ntia nipa. It is also the boni bedi me a sister me mama boni kuru ano na ebeya onyonyo wo wanu. That's how life is all about. Teme ni Jacob tumfo no nenam mafia bia ye bobi mafia na ye body nkyere se ye ha obi ana ye sisi obi nemom meme mafia na ye se oye wo ho se utumi na ekura no de be ha me a nam so ma kire wo se in the beginning was the word was with God and the word was God. And who is the word? The word has come into the physical world. The word has become the flesh, and that is the flesh you are seeing. And don't forget, it is written in the word that mesuma asebono mane koye de sase ye ne nsa amba me nchen kwa. Ah, goodness. So good night to you all. Everybody should stay at peace. I won't say mo be attack me, mo be visit me our Bushen station. I won't say me so me be visit me mo cast do do say na say. I won't say mo the end doors. I won't say musu. I won't say mo travel TV so. Wow, TV station is now the try. Me chere wade bi. Don't bite more than what you can chew. And yes, I will bring in a kwa. I will give you an invitation. Me frɛ wo asase ase. Na me de wat na esumu afebo. Mama wo ma. Ene wo namfo ne wo mfrɛfo asu. Na so untimi nsa nsane ma wachi da. Me na me ka kyerɛ wo. Good night.
The one who want obey us, I sit away. Now, me shaky. And I say, so, Nitrebe, you know, they will know about that for them. Hey, yes, you know, Gary, I know, the man I go, Bob.
Me pacho, me bon ka yese. Na me ya duma e china. Tienie. Nyame ya adom a ekina ne ye opatafo na otweda no. Isi opatafo wawu oni hobiem. Muna musuro owuo. Nanso owuo ne nkwa oye madamfo. Enti minsuro ne da. Onimu no. Anza onimu no. Se wo be Awurade ampa. Enkombe ka kire say 24 elders no. Emu baako ene ye owuo ne nkwa na amosole abasuro na suro no. Ono ene ye di enkwa akura no na owuo ese akura no. Na eye book ene kura no. So ofa enkwa book ni kura na ne din asesa. So ofa owuo book ni kuta na ne din asesa. Enti oye honhom baako a agya no abɔ no na wayi ni sɛ ɔhwɛ owuo ne nkwa so. Enti me pacho abra ye ntwere o me din emfa ngu awufuo nwoma ne mu no. Oye me dan wuntimi mpa mo mfiri asase ne so. Sa na tie. So tomorrow be 1 week, you know. Na nyame adom a on the 29th of December 2026 na yakosie no na yagya no kwan kra. Enti ha na wahye nkaebo yinso na abo afoforo amane se ya de nyina ye nua ye wofa ye dofo opatafuo a na no onya ne nkwanhye ewuo no owuo no de ayeya na nsoso mpanyine si owuo kurade a enkwante benji. Enti ekina ne ye ne na watweda na 29 December yakuja na chikura. Enti uti obia na wabo obia mane se ekina na opatafo 1 week ne baso na yebe ne life yebe 1 week ne life wa. Oh my goodness. The most troublesome pastor. This guy is he's so stubborn. Don't worry, I'll change. Oh. The day I'll marry, I'll change. The day I'll marry, I'll change you. Imagine having Opatafuor as your in-law. Do you think you will know peace? Margaret, also said, imagine Opatafuor being your in-law. Do you think you have peace? Oh my goodness. Asiu we die mi hu bi da. Hey. Asiu tutu jagu pen. Chesa asiu we die onfa hwe ho. Onfa onye bi nimpo no de wa yeta. Asiu be na ni su dindin sei. Opatafuor masesa o. Masesa. Di ohana obaba be ka kire wo se bacha obakohia abranti bi na ose odome na onkohwe ayo Opatafuor ka kire ni se ha ka ho sa afa no ko baby akohu ni bia afa no kokosi wo jano sa enwa we ye wene na ka afa no ko We're too troublesome. You see, you people, you fear death. You fear death, right? Do not be afraid of death. It is our Father. It is our Father who created the spirit of death. So why are you afraid of death? Do not be afraid of death, okay? Insuro, eyeja osro. One bo owuo. Na se udi eja osro kire omre nson ya obi antimi mfa wo mfiri asase no so. Boni na doso. Good night, all my lovers in UK. Good night, and salute you all as well. You people who are living in United, is it UK? Yeah, United States. Greetings to you as well. And you all who are living in Canada, Australia, on the 6th of June, Pacho Meko Church of Pentecost na Mako Sachra na me Pacho ya bomasu na me jai troubles ni nyina me nkumpiem enti wa opese oka me ho na ye ko Sachra na ye kofa Yesu no na wabesene na ye ko enti mfanse akaboso me ne kakra na mbacho masachira na maja ntokwa nyina na maja boni nyina ye bibia mejai bibia enti ebe ko Church of Pentecost na akoye saade no obi se papa on pe Pentecost for 7 na mze wana ka kire obi a me Church of Pentecost for omo presiding elder any SDA sofo ene tetebe ye yabusunya mu ye wo yeto SDA mu ena mkotena Church of Pentecost presiding elder nche nti me de na matao ebi kura nsida na me lifestyle sa na mesu etie opatafuo mi pehuru mi pehuru but nyame ya ado amejai. Good night and sound sleep as well. Okay, don't allow anybody to you see Emma Subai. Alice say no, don't change. Modi Emma de bia mo be ma kokan to kwada kubo se matwo ma bia bomi na matwo ma bi bumi anam kokan se ti ibeshia tomorrow we are doing the 1 week. Margaret also says I shouldn't say that. Antimage, emane hawo bibia yenyame asem ade akina mini hokra eni areho a obedia ne se na odomi na opem asem but hunu said the person me bia ma ye wi what you say the person me catch obi ama catch de na men kan kire mu de men kan kire mu ye aka 90%. Sa 90% ne so me dini nyina akọ divine destiny clan ho na omoshe omuna sunsumu ehintasem ni nyina me de ma wo sanity. God bless you all. Enjoy your